Housing Trust tenants say a state government plan to charge children as young as 16 for rent will put more pressure on already struggling families. The South Australian government says people earning money should contribute to rent.
The changes mean children between 16 and 20 considered non-dependent will have to pay 15% of their income as household rent, while those 21 and over will pay 25%.
This is about people receiving an independent income. When they become independent, that's when there is an assessment of their income.
That income will include child maintenance and Centrelink payments.
We're not asking any more than occurs when people have to rent privately.
But the Housing Trust Tenants Association says it's not fair to compare the two.
Public housing was set up for low-income families, and it's set up for those who can't afford to buy a house or those that are trying to struggle to get out and buy a house.
Let's remember the lease agreements with mum and dad, and mum and dad have a right to have their children live in their home. That young person would be paying board. They're trying to save some money to get ahead.
The government says taxpayers spend $220 million a year subsidising housing trust homes.
When we are receiving an income and we're earning an income and you are being subsidised by the South Australian taxpayer, it is only fair that households with the same income coming in pay the same rent.
Over the past 8 years, the government has sold nearly 3,500 public housing homes. It says by the middle of next year it will have built just over 4,500 new homes, 1,300 of which have been paid for by the federal government.
Most of the building going on at the moment is Commonwealth money, it's not Rand government money.
The government says no tenant will pay more than 25% of their gross income in rent. The plan comes into effect in September. Scott Bills, ABC News, Adelaide.